Alright, so this is my game for the CPT, and it's called Faction Defense. So let's click play. This is like the entry screen. It lets you see some of the enemies and what they do. And then here you have to select a faction before you can start the game. And you can view the factions before you actually select them. So I'm going to view each of these. And you can pause the screen to take a closer look and read everything on the screen. So basically when you view, it gives you a brief description of what the faction does. For example, over here, the strengths and weaknesses. And then each of these buttons over here, which corresponds with the button here, it tells you what each ability of this faction does. So this is the Pyro one. Same format for the Naturo. You can pause the video to read these in detail. This is Cryo. Again, same format. And this is the Electro. And each faction has their unique strengths and weaknesses, and their niches as well, which I will be showing in the game. Alright, now I'm going to play the game with each of these factions. So let's start with Pyro. So for Pyro, first, as you can see, if these you want to click the enemies to kill them, and if they hit the left side, you lose health, as you can see. So let's start with the ultimate ability. It wipes everything on the screen. So if you click 3, it goes on cooldown, and you can't use anything on cooldown. It destroys everything on the screen. If you click 1, your next 5 auto attacks, basic attacks, restore health, and reduces cooldowns as well. So I will heal back to full health. And 2 kills everything in the circle. I can click 3 again and kills everything. So that's basically all of Pyro. And this is the defeat screen. This happens when you exit out the game prematurely, or if you lose the game. Now I'm going to play with Naturo. So with Naturo, you don't have any damaging abilities. So let's start with 2, because that one doesn't require healing. So first 2, it makes everything on the screen bigger, so it's easier to hit. If you click 1, you heal 250 health. And also, if you can see down here, if you click the big one, it spawns other enemies. And as enemies hit the left side, you lose health. And also with this faction, if you click 3, it heals half of missing health. So you can heal back up. So yeah, that's basically Naturo. And this is the defeat screen again, because I exited it out. Alright, so next I'm going to play with Cryo. So with Cryo, your second ability, it slows everything on the screen, as you can see, by 75%. Your third ability freezes everything in place, but you can still click enemies. And your first ability, it heals you for 1,200 health. Just like these hit first. Heals you for 1,200 health over 10 seconds. So as you can see, we're healing up. And you can freeze everything, as you can see. So that's basically all of this faction, Cryo. And the last faction left is Electro, so let's go ahead and click this. So with Electro, your first ability, it brings everything to a common point, so like that. Your second one launches a ray, and it's really specific, and it only kills if you hit the center. So line it up. Your third one, third ability, your ultimate, is a big purging tool, like a shockwave, and it kills everything on the screen for 7 seconds. You can drag it around. And with this faction, you can also pull off some like combos, like if you 1 and then you 2, it kills everything like that. Okay, we're almost done level 10, so we're almost won the game. So yeah, you can see the victory screen is over here. And yeah, that's basically all of the game.